Welcome to TechSphere, your gateway to the future of technology.
Want to dominate tech in 2026? Here's exactly how to skyrocket your skills fast. Rule number 1. Code every single day. No excuses and no skips. Build real projects like clones, tools, and full apps because theory fades, but projects make you elite. Solve 3 to 5 coding problems daily on platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank to sharpen your brain. Follow a clear roadmap by starting with fundamentals and then specializing in areas like AI, cloud, or cybersecurity. Master one programming language deeply first, because depth always beats shallow knowledge, then add more later. Push code to GitHub every day and let your green contribution graph grow. Seek ruthless feedback through code reviews and open-source contributions, as this accelerates growth. Read blogs, official documentation, and books weekly to stay ahead. Earn relevant certifications such as AWS, Google, Azure, or CompTIA to prove your skills to recruiters. Join communities on Discord, Reddit, or X to ask questions, help others, and learn faster. Teach everything you learn by writing blogs, making short videos, or explaining concepts to friends, because teaching creates mastery. Fix bugs relentlessly, deploy real projects to the cloud, experiment with AI models, and track your progress. Celebrate small wins, because consistency beats talent every time, and daily effort compounds. In 6 to 12 months of real daily work, you'll be unrecognizable, and employers will start chasing you. The tech world moves fast and waits for no one, so the only question is whether you're moving with it. Your future self is watching and deciding whether to be proud or disappointed. It's your...
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.